Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Solutions. In today's video, we will see how to add or remove Google Chrome shortcuts. The shortcuts I'm talking about are the ones that I'm highlighting right now under the Google search bar. So you can delete them individually by clicking on three dots and click on remove. We just removed it. Now we will remove the other one, rapid text. Click on three dots, click on remove again. So this is how you can remove or delete any shortcut from Google Chrome page. And you can also add the shortcuts by clicking on add shortcut and type in the name and then URL. For example, I'm trying to add Google, so I'm going to type in www.google.ca and click on done. And you can see the Google shortcut here, and you click on Google, you will it will bring you to the google.ca page. Thank you. See you guys in the next video. Bye now.